Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make crisps, potato crisps. So with me, I have already peeled Irish potatoes that we are going to use for the crisps. They are nicely washed. They are just ready to be sliced into thin slices. I normally use this potato peeler to slice the potatoes, but if you have a very sharp knife, it can also do. So I'm just going to peel all of them. Once I'm done, I'm going to wash them thoroughly in clean water and soak them for about 10 minutes to remove excess starch from the potatoes. You can wash the potatoes until your water is clean to ensure that all the starch has been removed. Next, using a clean cloth, I'm going to drain the potatoes and let them dry on a clean cloth. You can use an oven tray if you have. Letting the potatoes dry before you fry them just makes them be more crispier. So you can choose to skip this procedure, or you can just go ahead and dry yours as well. But I love drying mine because the potatoes come out so crispy and just so nice. Once I'm done, I'm just going to jump ahead and start frying them. So in a pot, I'm going to add oil, then let it heat not so hot, just medium, so that the cooking process does not rush. So I keep on checking and turning so that it doesn't burn. So at this point, the crisps are ready. I'm just going to remove them, let them cool. I'm going to season mine with paprika powder and some salt, and they'll be ready to eat. If you love this video, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment below in the comment section. As you can see, the crisps turned out so good. They were so yummy. I loved them so much. If you don't like paprika, you can just use salt to season your crisps, or you can use onion powder or any seasoning of your choice. You don't have to use paprika, you can use something else. Personally, I love paprika and salt, so I normally like using paprika. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, and like. See you on the next one. Bye.